Oh, okay then. Good morning to all.
Good morning, sir.
Sit down, sit down. So, already in our previous class, we studied about the data handling. So once again I am repeating, just I am giving a recap what already I have taught you. Data handling. If you will properly handle, suppose ये bottle किसका है? Whose bottle is this one? Yes. When you purchase this one, if you will not handle properly to this bottle, then in 2 days or 3 days it may be broken. Yes or no? So if you will handle properly, handling means to carry the things properly. So whatever the data which will be given to us in proper way, carry to those data, that is data handling. Data handling. So first of all, some data will be given to us and we will handle it properly. Suppose our principal sir said me, sir, this time you prepare the exam sitting of the students for the annual exam. Then what I will require that how many students are there from standard 6 to standard 12 or standard 5 to standard 12, means total number of students, how much, how many, that I need. Another things what I need, in which rooms the exam will be there. He said me 101, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106. In these 6 rooms, you arrange the exam. So I need which rooms it will be allotted to me. Then another thing what I need, how many bench desks are there in these rooms? If I will know the total number of students, if I will know the number of bench desks, then I can adjust all the roll numbers of every classes. Then in a sheet of paper, I can give a paper का list बना के दे दूंगा. Suppose 6, 7 ये classes, ये 101, 102, 103, 104, like this different room. So here in a sheet of paper I can give ये क्लास 6 के लिए ऐसे एक पेपर में ये जो रूम है, तो फ्रॉम दिस पेपर शीट्स वी कैन नो so many things and we can arrange the students properly in different rooms. So in a sheet of paper, all these informations what was given to me, I can produce it in a sheet of paper to our principal sir. He will see the paper, he can understand everything. But then in 101 room, standard 6, roll number 1 to 6 is there. 7 to 13 is there in 102, like this. In 4 rooms, up to which roll numbers of standard 6 it is arranged in these 4 rooms? Up to which roll number? 22. Yes. So up to roll number 22 are arranged in 101, room number 101, 102, 103, 104. Everything he can know. Already I have said you about these things. Today I will, already in our previous class, I taught you about the pictograph. What are called pictographs?
The graph, the graph which is mainly made by
Pictures. Yeah. So datas, the datas which are represented by the pictures are called the pictograph. Now today we will read about bar graph. Bar graph. Bar graphs. So likewise the pictograph, in the pictures we can represent the datas. Similarly in bar graph, by drawing rectangular blocks between the two axes, that is x-axis and
y-axis.
y-axis. Between the two axes, by drawing the rectangular blocks, we can represent some datas. You might have seen in TV the match between India, Pakistan, or the match between Australia, Sri Lanka, Australia, England, like that. Now I am drawing a bar graph. Bar graph are the graphs which are means rectangular blocks apart from each other. छोड़ के बार ग्राफ जो बनाते, रेक्टेंगुलर ब्लॉक्स हम बनाएंगे तो उसे कहते हैं बार ग्राफ. लेकिन पूरा जॉइंटेड अगर रेक्टेंगुलर ब्लॉक्स हम बनाएंगे उसे कहते हैं, पढ़ोगे बाद में, उसे कहते हैं हिस्टोग्राम. बाद में पढ़ोगे 9-10 में. सो इफ द रेक्टेंगुलर ब्लॉक्स पूरा जॉइंटेड बनेंगे तो इट इज कॉल्ड द हिस्टोग्राम. लेकिन अलग अलग अगर बनेंगे रहेंगे अलग अलग छोड़ के तो दिस इज कॉल्ड द बार ग्राफ्स. ठीक है ना. नाउ आई एम ड्रॉइंग वन बार ग्राफ हियर एंड आई विल आस्क सम क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम दिस बार ग्राफ, बिकॉज फ्रॉम ए बार ग्राफ we can get several idea about an event. Abhi, now I am drawing one bar graph and I will ask you something. No, here, not extending, same thing. Now, yes. So here two rectangular blocks simultaneously I have shown in the figure. Right? So I gave like this a bar graph I gave you. From this graph, so many questions can be asked, and you also can answer from this graph. If I will ask you, then you also can answer me definitely. Now my first question, I will give like a bar graph, and I asked you first question. Something is so I asked you the first question to Anurag. In this graph, which type of game was played here? Why cricket? Because overs and runs. ये तो क्रिकेट में ही तो होता है ना, फुटबॉल में तो नहीं होता है, हॉकी में नहीं होता है. तो it is a game. I have shown a graph of cricket game. Sit down. Roll number 15, 15. Who is roll number 15? Okay, Upasana, stand up. Between which two teams the game was played here?
Australia and England.
Yes, because it is Australia and England. Between Australia and England, the game was played. Then Chris Kundan, it was a test match or one day match or 2020 match. Why you are showing it is 2020 match?
So because it is 20 overs.
Yeah, because up to 20 overs it is shown in the figure. Matlab, it is a 2020 match. Very good, Shriram. Now, my next question to Ayush Patnaik. In the first 10 over, what was the run made by England? In the past 10 overs, 1 to 10, in first 10 overs, what was the run made by England? 70. 60 और 80 का बीच में है 70. तो फर्स्ट 10 ओवर्स इंग्लैंड ने बनाया 70 रन. इन फर्स्ट 10 ओवर्स व्हाट वाज द रन मेड बाय प्राप्ति, नॉट प्राप्ति, मेड बाय ऑस्ट्रेलिया. प्राप्ति से द आंसर. नो, देवराज से 40. Be attentive what I am asking. Don't see casually here. Don't sit. In a loud voice I am talking and asking you. You are saying 1 second. Okay, anyway, so it is, what is that? In past 10 overs, Australia made how much run? 40. Very good. Sit down. Then my second question, Khaya, 10 to 20 overs, between 10 to 20 overs, what was the run made by Australia? Australia. 80, very good. So Australia in second 10 overs, Australia made 80 runs. But in the second 10 overs, what was the run made by the England? Manisha? England. 60. Okay, very good. So, next question. What was the total run made by Australia in 20 years, Adi Krishna? 120 runs. Very good. What was the total run made by England in this complete 20 overs, Anshuman? 1? Ayush, sit down. 130. It is 120. This is 132. Which, what you are thinking? To where you are looking? So, this is the incomplete 20 overs. England made 130 run. Australia made 120 run. Next question. Chahat, who won the match? Who won the match here? England. Very good. Sit down. Next question. Upasana, I have asked you. Yes. Next question. Rudra. No. Bigness. Next question. By how many runs England won the match?
130.
By what margin? By what margin England won the match? 10 runs. So you see, simply drawing a graph, simply drawing a bar graph, so many questions I asked you and also you answer. That means so many informations we get from a bar graph. So many informations we can get from a bar graph. In a bar graph, in horizontally, one axis, that is x-axis, y-axis, then here I have given two things at a time. Another example I am just giving you, bar graph. Means how to draw bar graph. I am giving the datas. So, here, give me one book. Yes. Now you open page 277. 277. Question number 3. It is a graph between the speed of animals, speed of different animals. In x-axis, different animals, the name of different animals is given in x-axis, and y-axis, its speeds are given. Now first question, it is given question number 3, first bit. Which animal runs the fastest? Tiger. From the graph, the rectangular block for the tiger, it is how much? 80 km per hour. What is the speed of lion? 65. Very good. How much slower is the deer than tiger? How much is slower? Yeah, it is 80 minus 40, that is equal to 40. Very good. How much faster is the horse than deer? Horse का कितना है? Horse का है 50. Deer का कितना है? 40. तो minus करने से 50 minus 40 is equal to 10. So now easily exercise 15C. At least question number 2, 3, 4, 5. You can do it. Everything means here graphs are given, but it is asked something and you will answer it like this, like what you said now. So question number 2, 3, 4, 5 of exercise 15C. It is homework for you. Still the last class of this bar graph I will take in next period. I think it is Monday because tomorrow something PTM is there. So it's all about you. Understood or not? Okay, very good. So take care. Have a good day. Thank you. Thank you.